In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own resume to the Kyvyt.fi service. First of all, you have to log in to the Kyvyt.fi, and after that, head to the Content tab, and there are 3 different kinds of resumes in here. In this video, I'm going to use the CV+. With CV+, you can create as many resumes as you want. For example, if you need a Finnish resume or an English resume, you can have them both at the same time and use them separately in different portfolio pages. New CV+ will be created in here. Let's click that. First of all, we have to create a descriptive name for our resume. I'm giving it a name, CV+ in English, and because this is in English, I'm going to choose the language to be in English. And then I will create the resume. Okay, this is the resume editor, and as you can see, there are quite a few different fields that you can fill in here. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your employment history into your resume. There are these little arrows next to every title, and when you click it, you can see a little menu, and from here you can change the title. If you don't want this to be employment history, you can change it from here. And now we're going to add a new job to our employment history. The start date can be an exact date, or it can also be text and numbers. You can also leave the fields empty if you want to fill the form later. Okay, I filled in my employer and job title, and now we have a little text editor in the position description field, and in here you can use pictures, use hyperlinks, you can import text from a Word document, but I recommend that you keep this quite simple, not that much text. Just enough information for that person who might read your resume. Now I've typed in my position description, and when I'm done with it, I'm going to click Save. Okay, now we have a single field in our CV+ and in employment history. If you want to add another job to your employment history, just click Add and do the same procedure again.